Hello all, this is wscolumn. It's a program to design circular and rectangular columns, RC columns, under load and axial load and biaxial moments. Load can be eccentric as well. It has four modes. The first one is English units design version and English units investigative version and SI units design version and investigate version. I'll enter the data now. Project name ES1 it's funny. Tab ESW tab building name dam okay tab column ID COL 12 tab FC is 4 K per square inch and the field 60 K per square inch. Eccentricity no eccentricity. Govern inch to inch tab. P-dead load I'll assume 100 kip. The live load in 50 kip. Wind load 20 kip, 30 kip, and seismic load 20 kip. Okay, MX kip per foot is 20 kip per foot. Dead is 15. Live story is 15 kip per foot. Wind load 10 kip per foot, and seismic is 10 kip per foot. Okay. I'll assume MY dead load 20 kip per foot. Okay, live load 15 kip in Y direction. Wind 15 kip per foot and M earthquakes 10 kip per foot. Okay. Hill unsupported 20 feet. I'll assume it's a long column. I'll try to figure out. Smaller mount 10 kip with its sign and larger mount is 20 kip per foot. Okay, if braced right one, if unbraced right two, and right one. If non-sway right one, if sway frame restrained at both ends right two, if sway frame restrained at both end right three, I'll assume non-sway right one. Okay, if rectangular right one, if circular right two. If right one, it will take the data of rectangular column. If right two, it will take the data of circular column. Okay. B now I'm assuming a column that's intermediate. It's a column a lower joint A and upper joint B. Lower joint has lower floors and upper joint has upper floor. Okay. I'm adding the data. B left beam of lower joint A 12 inch. If there isn't right 0, but now we have D depth of it is 20 if there isn't right 0 as well. B of right beam, there is a right beam, so I'm not gonna write 0, 12 inch, 20 inch. Freelance for upper column for lower joint A. For lower joint, there's always a freelance. If there isn't, right one, but there is always. So I'm gonna assume 20 foot. Lower joint for lower joint A. I'll assume it's an intermediate column, so it has a lower floor as well for lower joint, so 20 foot as well. B left beam for lower joint A. The freelance of it, no, sorry, the freelance 10 foot. Freelance of right beam 10 foot for lower joint A. Now I'm adding the data for upper joint. I'll assume B of left beam 12 inch. There isn't right 0, but here there is 20 depth 20 inch. Okay, and here right beam 12 inch times 20 inch. If there isn't right 0, freelance for upper column for upper joint B. I'm assuming it's an intermediate floor, so it's the upper floor. If there isn't right one, I'll assume 20 foot. I'll assume lower column for upper joint B 20 foot. Okay. Freelance of left beam. Okay, 10 foot. If there isn't right one, freelance of right beam 10 foot. Okay. Rectangular P for lower joint B 12. I'm assuming B. Now I think the data of column. I'll assume okay 20 inch tab times 40 inch. And now for lower joint, for lower column of lower joint A 20 inch times 40 inch. You should have the strong with the column in front of you so you can get the data from strong. B for upper column for upper joint B is the upper column for upper joint 20 times 40 inch. B for lower column for upper joint B 20 times 40 inch. Assumed column design dimensions for 20 times 40 inch. Okay. I'm adding the size of bars. I'm using the American size 3 to 10. Here adding 10. As the bottom diameter, I'm using 4-inch size 4 tie, and vertical diameter as usual 10. Okay, run. Okay, the design is adequate, and all the moments, all the combinations, dead load, live load, wind load, dead wind live, dead wind, dead wind, and dead live earthquake, and dead earthquake. It's all design is adequate. Okay, save. I'm saving it in figure 1. That's the interaction diagram. Okay. Now I'll try to take the same data for a circle column. All I'm gonna do, it says here, if column is rectangular, write 1. If circle, write 2. What we're gonna do is write 2 and enter the circular data. I'm not gonna remove the rectangular data. It will take the circular data by default. For circular column, diameter of column, I've used it's 25 inch. Okay, the bars between 4 and 10. I'm using 10. Okay, and enter diameter is 20 inch. I'm sorry, 25. Tab 25. Tab 25. Tab 25. This is the upper column for lower joint A, and lower column for lower joint A, and upper column for upper joint B, and lower column for upper B. I'm gonna write run. Okay, now quit.